I was thinking, like, guilt is supposed to be one of the strongest emotions, but there is something way beyond guilt. Guilt is simple. Guilt says, I did something wrong and I regret it. You do not lose your identity. But there is something called moral injury, which is way beyond guilt. Now, every person has a set of principles that they believe in that makes their identity. Suppose, for example, you believe that you're a really good person, and you did something really unacceptable, or you're in a system that constantly pushes you to do something that you don't want to do. Now, basically, your belief that you're a really good person and whatever you did cannot coexist together. Okay. Now, whatever you did doesn't let you believe in your identity anymore. So there's something changing here. Now, the difference between guilt and moral injury is guilt is repairable. Okay. You apologize, you do things to correct yourself, or at least it might not completely go away, but at least with time, the intensity of the guilt reduces. But research shows that moral injury by itself can push people to have suicidal tendencies, even if it exists independently, like without any association with clinical depression or anxiety disorders. Now, this is most commonly seen in healthcare workers and soldiers, of course. Maybe in healthcare workers, when you have to watch someone die, knowing that you could have prevented it, or in triage conditions where you have to decide which patient deserves better care, or even simple conditions like where you cannot treat a patient because they haven't paid, because the hospital protocols. And when this happens for a really long time, as a defense mechanism, your brain just shuts off and there is emotional numbing. You have desensitization. You do not feel things at the same level anymore. So yeah, guilt is fine, but moral injury, it requires complete reconstruction of your entire identity.